the GoPro Max 2 and what 2026 has in store for it. If you're an adrenaline junkie, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing epic 360-degree moments, stick around because this is going to blow your mind. Imagine holding a camera that not only shoots true 8K spherical video but evolves with leaks hinting at game-changing upgrades right around the corner. You're not going to want to miss a single second of this. Trust me. By the end, you'll be itching to grab one yourself. Let's start from the beginning, because to appreciate where the Max 2 is headed in 2026, you need to know its roots. Back in 2019, GoPro dropped the original Max, and it was a revolution. Dual lenses for full 360 capture, HyperSmooth stabilization that made shaky footage look like it was shot on a gimbal, and that iconic spherical editing that let you reframe shots after the fact. But fast forward to late 2025, and GoPro finally unleashed the Max 2 after years of anticipation. Why the wait? Well, they were perfecting it, and boy did they deliver. But here's the hook: rumors are swirling that 2026 could bring firmware updates, or even a stealth refresh that takes it to another level. What if I told you leaks suggest better low-light performance and AI enhancements coming soon? Yeah, keep listening because we're breaking it all down. First off, let's unpack what the Max 2 brings to the table right now. This thing is a beast. 2 high-powered image sensors working in tandem to deliver true 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second. That's not some upscaled gimmick. It's genuine 29 million pixels of crystal clear spherical goodness. Picture this. You're mountain biking down a rugged trail, the wind whipping past, and every angle, front, back, sides, is captured in stunning detail. No blind spots, no missed moments. And if you drop down to 5.6K, you get buttery smooth 60 frames per second for those high-action sequences. Or go even further with 4K at 100 frames per second for slow-motion replays that make your heart race just watching them. But wait, it's not just about video. The Max 2 snaps 29MP 360 photos that you can explore like a virtual world. Twist the perspective. Zoom in on details. It's like having a time machine for your adventures. And for those who prefer traditional shooting, switch to single lens mode for 4K 60 footage with an insane 180-degree field of view using the Max Hyperview lens. Imagine filming a POV surf session where the wave curls around you, or a ski run that feels like you're right there in the powder. The possibilities? Endless. And let's not forget the audio. 6 microphones capture immersive spatial sound. So when you play back that footage, you hear the roar of the engine or the crash of the waves from every direction. It's not just video. It's an experience that pulls you in and doesn't let go. Now, what makes this camera so addictive to use? The ease of it all. Those replaceable lenses, twist and go, no tools needed. Scratched one during a rough hike? Swap it out in seconds. Waterproof to 16 feet without a case. So dive into that ocean or brave the rain without worry. And HyperSmooth stabilization? It's on another planet. Even if you're bouncing around on a dirt bike or running through uneven terrain, your footage comes out silky smooth. Add in built-in GPS for tracking your speed and location, and you've got data overlays that turn your clips into professional-level edits. But here's where it gets really exciting. Imagine if 2026 brings leaked AI features that auto-edit your 360 footage, picking the best angles based on motion detection. Leaks from insider forums suggest GoPro's testing something like that. Can you picture uploading raw clips and having the app spit out a polished video ready for social media? That's the kind of innovation that keeps you hooked. Let's compare it to the competition because you know I wouldn't leave that out. Take the Insta360X4 solid camera, 8K video too. But GoPro's stitching quality edges it out with 21% more usable pixels according to their claims. That means less distortion, sharper edges in your reframe shots. And the DJI Osmo Action 360? Great for vloggers. But the Max 2's replaceable lenses and superior audio setup give it the win for extreme sports. I've seen side-by-side tests where the Max 2's color grading in 10-bit video just pops more, especially in challenging lighting. But don't take my word for it, think about your own setup. If you're tired of fiddly apps or cameras that overheat after 10 minutes, the Max 2's robust build and quick app integration will change your game. And with 2026 rumors pointing to better battery life through a new processor update, you might film all day without swapping packs. Speaking of battery, the Max 2's 1960 mAh unit gives you solid runtime. Up to 80 minutes of 5.6K 6360 video. But leaks hint at 2026 optimizations that could push it further, maybe with power-saving AI modes. Imagine capturing a full day's hike without constantly checking your charge. And the size? Compact at 2.7 inches wide,